How to hire great engineers when you don't have any technical expertise for your startup. Hello and welcome to YouTube channel Build on Digital Products, brought to you by Linkup Studio, when we speak about practical technology that can help your business here and now. Hiring a technical team for your startup is more than just hiring a group of individuals to complete specific tasks. It's about finding a technical partner who can provide the expertise, guidance, and support needed to build a successful digital product. To hire the best engineering talent, it's crucial to have a comprehensive hiring plan. First of all, define your needs. Identify the specific roles and responsibilities that your engineering team will have. This might include software development, DevOps, or quality assurance. Consider the size of your team, the technical stack you will be working with, and the project's complexity. Set a budget. Determine the salary range you can offer along with additional benefits and perks. Make sure it's competitive within the market, as top engineers are in high demand. Consult resources like Glassdoor or PayScale to determine appropriate salary ranges. Timeline. Create a realistic timeline for the hiring process. Keep in mind factors like the time it takes to source and interview candidates and how soon you need your next hires to start. Factor in time needed for onboarding and training as well. Once your hiring plan is in place, you will want to use multiple candidate sources to ensure a diverse pool of talent. So let's speak about them. There are many online platforms that can help you find a technical team for your startup. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional network platform where you can connect with other professionals in your field, including technical professionals. So you can search for people with specific skills or experience and reach out to them directly to see if they are interested in working with you or not. Upwork. Upwork is a platform where you can hire freelancers for various types of projects, including technical projects as well. So you can post a job listing on the platform and receive a proposal from freelancer who are interested in working with you. Indeed is a job board where you can post job listings for various types of positions, including technical positions as well. You can review resumes and applications from candidates who are interested in working with your startup. AngelList. AngelList is a platform that connects startups with investors, but it also has a job boards where you can post job listings for technical positions. So you can review applications and resumes from candidates who are interested in working with your startup. TopTal. TopTal is a platform that connects businesses with top freelance talent in various fields, including technical fields. You can submit a request for talent on the platform and receive a proposal from highly skilled freelancer. These were just a few examples of platforms where you can find a technical team for your startup. One more thing, network. Networking is an essential aspect of building a successful startup. It can provide a range of benefits for entrepreneurs. Networking involves building relationships with other professionals and industry leaders in your field. It can help you gain valuable insights, support, and resources. One of the key benefits of networking is the opportunity to learn from others in your industry. By attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and engaging with other entrepreneurs, you can gain valuable insights into industry trends, best practices, and technologies. This can help you stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about your business. Referrals. So referrals from your existing network, including colleagues, friends, and mentors, are also of great importance. A referral from trusted source can be valuable in finding the right candidate for your team. Social media platforms. Social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook can also be effective in reaching potential candidates. Engage with the tech community, participate in relevant discussions, and share your job openings. Now that we have covered various strategies, let's discuss some common challenges you might face when hiring engineers and how to overcome them. High demand for the top talent. So the competition for skilled engineers is fierce, and you may find yourself competing with well-established companies with more resources. So to stand up, emphasize what makes your organization unique, like your mission, company culture, or innovative projects. Limited resources. Startups often have limited budgets and may struggle to compete with larger organizations in terms of salary and benefits. To overcome this, consider offering equity or stock options, flexible work arrangements, or unique perks that demonstrate your commitment to employee well-being. Time constraints. Hiring can be a time-consuming process, especially when you're trying to run a business simultaneously. Consider partnering with a recruiting agency or using recruiting automation tools to streamline the process and save your time. Assessing technical skills. If you're not technically inclined, evaluating a candidate's technical abilities can be challenging. Seek help from a trusted technical advisor or use assessment platforms like HackerRank or Credility to test candidates' skill objectively. In conclusion, by employing these strategies and overcoming common challenges, you will be bewildered on your way to building a talented engineering team for your startup, even without any technical expertise. Before we finish, we'd like to hear from you. What challenges have you faced when hiring engineers for your startup? And how did you overcome them? Share your experience in the comments below. It's common to start by talking to a business development manager or sales representative from the company. This is a first point of contact from many companies, and it's important to communicate effectively. When talking to a BDM, it's important to be clear about your startup's needs and goals, as well as your budget and timeline. So ask questions about the company's expertise and experience in the areas where you need help. Find out what kind of processes they use to manage projects and communicate with clients. Be sure to listen carefully to the BDM's responses and ask follow-up questions if needed. This will help you get a better sense of the company's capabilities and how well they would fit your startup's needs. When evaluating potential teams for your startups, it's important to consider several factors. Here are some key things to look for. Reputation. Check the company's reputation by researching them on review sites such as Clutch or Good Firms. Look for reviews from previous clients to get an idea of their experience working with the company. Relevant experience. Look for teams that have experience in your industry or with similar projects. This ensures that they understand the nuances and challenges of your specific business and can deliver quality work. Communication skills. Strong communication is crucial when working with a remote team. Make sure that the team members you are considering have good communication skills and are responsive to your messages and inquiries. Problem solving. When working on complex projects, issues are bound to arise. So look for teams that have a track record or creativity solving problems and adapting to changes in the project. Portfolio and past works. Take a closer look at the team's portfolio and past works to get a sense of their style, quality, and range of abilities. You can also reach out to previous clients for testimonials and references. Team culture. The culture of your team that you're going to work with have a big impact on the success of your project. Look for teams with a positive, collaborative culture that aligns with your values and goals. By considering these factors and thoroughly evaluating potential teams, you can increase your chances of finding the right fit for your startup. One of the main benefits of outsourcing companies is that they take care of everything from hiring to equipment and workspace, allowing you to focus on your core business. They have already hired vetted their team members and have infrastructure and processes in place to ensure that projects are delivered on time and to a high standard. Cost savings. Outsourcing companies can offer cost savings by providing access to skilled professionals without the expenses of hiring a full-time team. This can be especially beneficial for startups as they have usually limited in budget. Access to specialized skills. Outsourcing companies often have a team of experts with specialized skills that may not be available in-house. This can help startups to build high-quality digital products that meet their unique needs. Increased flexibility. Outsourcing companies offer flexibility in terms of the size of the team, the duration of the project, and the scope of work. This allows startups to adjust their resources and scale up or down as needed. Faster time to market. Outsourcing companies can help startups to speed up the development process and get their digital products to market faster. This can be critical in today's competitive environment. Reduced risk. By working with an outsourcing company, startups can reduce the risk associated with building digital products. Outsourcing companies are often experienced in managing projects and mitigating risk, which can help startups avoid costly mistakes. If you need assistance in building your engineering team or developing a digital product, our team at Linkup Studio is here to help. We are passionate about helping businesses succeed with our expertise in software development and design. Reach out to us and let's make your startup vision a reality. Thanks for joining us on this journey to learn how to hire great engineers without technical expertise. We hope you have found the information valuable and actionable. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your network to help them in their request for building successful startups as well. In the meantime, if you have any questions or need support with your digital product development, don't hesitate to contact us at Linkup Studio. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping startups like yours achieve their goals and create amazing digital products.